sorry is all that you can say. Years gone by and still words don't come easily. Like sorry, like sorry.
Perdonami